4th of July Day. Look at that collection. Oh yeah, that's a nice boat.
Yeah, and designing it in 123D design and 3D printing it.
Yeah, they're all 3D printed.
Yeah. Wow, cool. It's got a license plate number too.
I guess it does. I guess it does. You know, you gotta keep it legal.
And you got fireworks in it.
Oh, we just loaded up with fireworks and stuff.
Cool. Tonight it will be remotely triggered. We'll come back to it tonight.
Yes. Oh yeah, well. And we made this fire with this thing.
Oh, that's a. Oh, okay. It's like a launcher. Wow.
Look, the
non-stop
goes all around.
You light one and they all go.
Oh my. Wow, that would be a big blast.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Some goodies. Alright, what we have here is a D12-5 model rocket engine, motor, whatever you want to call it, and
on a homemade plane.
On a homemade Franken plane called the Falcon, which you might have seen in some previous videos, and it's been quite a successful plane. And now we think it's stable enough to
hold a rocket.
To hold a rocket.
It's gonna be the first attempt, right?
Yep, and we're gonna have remote ignition. So it's gonna be really nice.
Cool.
Yeah.
How you do that remote?
The remote ignition, we used a. Oh, it's not on here.
Oh, it's not on.
It's
yeah,
over here.
Add it in. Okay.
Yeah, it's right here though. We'll probably use this one.
The real falconeer grabs the falcon and practices falconry.
It's true. It is true.
What did all that mean?
Have to ask Ryan.
What?
Sounds like Legend of the.
So this is a.
Actually, all
some game stuff.
This is a Turnigy switch, and this is hooked up to a car relay, which allows you to pass a higher voltage with a lower voltage signal. And basically this goes to the receiver, and when you activate it from the receiver, it gives these two wires whatever voltage is plugged into here, and then ignites and goes boom.
Yep, from like the last video.
Yep, and the reason you need this relay is because you'll burn these switches out. So you need a relay just to completely separate the circuits.
Brilliant.
Yeah, and now it's reusable. We're gonna use it to do some fireworks too.
All right, tonight, right?
Yep, tonight. And I think I'll put it.
Oh, you got a lot of gears.
I think it'll go right. You know, I'll put the battery in, and I think it'll go right there, and then it plugs into power right here. Matter of fact, I can plug it in right now.
Cool.
Right here. Yeah.
Nice.
Actually, I'm gonna wait.
Dun,
Dun, dun, dun, dun. This is the
rockets.
Yeah, little rocket pods, F550 Saturn battery.
There's 25 of them in that pod, ready to go.
25 pods. We got a rocket igniter fuse here from your standard, you know, rocket set here. Little plugs and stuff come with it. And just, you know, did the Wile E. Coyote strap onto the homemade recycled airplane here. Then we're going to stick that in there and put in that. And for good measure, let's take some tape. Make sure she's nice and sealed up here. Pretty sure that tape's going to get blown right off. Two nice igniters. Business wires.
Oh, right there?
You scared me there. I thought you lit some. Right there, yes sir, yes sir. I'm gonna go ahead and tape it so stays stationary throughout its flight. And here's this. The dream come true right here. Oh.
What? Force over.
That's success on here. Oh, that's not good. There we go. That looks pretty good. Looks like a launcher. Now we can have these come up here. Plug this bad boy here. Yep. And then get a battery nice and snug. Perfect. Wow, I love how that fits in there. Alright, and then
Okay, that's the remote igniter.
Remote igniter. I guess I don't need backup power. We're going to the moon.
I'll get ready with the...
You got one shot.
I'm going to try to capture the video with the Furby Futon 200.
Okay.
With the Morpheus Mini.
The Moby Mini.
CH-4.
Ah! Carbon fiber props.
Oh, mad props to you.
God, I think something's in my skin. Ah.
Well, if you need it.
You brought a Band-Aid? Homie. Excellent.
This is come in handy.
Yeah.
The bandy.
That's a good idea. There's almost 100% chance I'll get hurt. We haven't even launched anything yet.
Camera 2.
Camera 2. Alright, we got the receiver plugged in. We got the power hooked up to the module. I'm gonna put this in here like that. This is the true custom work. This is the stuff people don't show you how to do. No, I'm not sure if it's connected. Are you connected? Yeah.
Are you connected?
You are. I got connections.
Dream come to life. All right, clamp that.
Clamp it. Channel 4, let's put you on, what should we launch with? If I'm flying,
Gear maybe?
I guess I should be launching with the throttle hand, right? Let off the throttle, then launch. You know, I have the throttle locked.
Yeah.
That way I could steer and then I launch. Okay. So I'll put it on the elevator switch right here. Yeah. Okay, so when I flick this switch, we should hear the relay.
Yep.
Okay, now we just need to make sure it's not reversed and test with the multimeter right quick. We got safety standards here. We got safety standards. Okay, so right now there should be no voltage.
Better safe than sorry.
We got 0 volts. When I flip this, should have 12 volts. The system is in full functioning order.
Okay, proceed with the test. Flight number 1.
Proceeding with test.
Welcome to course angle mode.
Hello.
Whoa, that's awesome.
What is that contraption?
Free sky. Look.
Horizon mode.
Oh.
Angle mode.
That's sexy. Oh, baby.
That's fun.
She's a playful.
I know she is.
Okay, she's armed and ready. You want to hold her probably
Where you were?
right
there.
right here,
Okay.
because you don't want to touch any of that.
Well, whatever you do, don't hit that switch.
I will not, dude. I'll definitely not hit that switch.
All right, so I'm gonna throw it at a little angle like this,
Yeah.
and you're gonna be. Is it big
It's
going?
gonna be going.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. You ready?
So-
Leo? Are you watching? Okay.
Wait, wait, wait.
keep Going.
Wait.
All right. It's gonna take off.
Okay.
Just don't hit the tail. Don't let your hand hit the tail. You might want to have your fingers down like that. Yeah. There you go.
And it's,
Yeah. Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna get her going and then say go.
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah, she's airborne. I'm going over the tent. Oh yeah. When I get the plug out, I'm gonna hit it. But not too close. Oh no, I forgot to hit record. Oh wow. Relentless puppy.
That was awesome.
Aye. I'm gonna do a low pass here.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm gonna do a low pass here.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh! Get it, Ryan. Go fast.